Hello children, I hope you all had a lovely half term and I hope you're ready to bake again. In the half term I managed to find some flour, so I thought we'd go and make something really easy, and if you remember the fork biscuits we made right at the beginning, I found a recipe for chocolate fork biscuits and everybody loves chocolate. The ingredients you'll need for your chocolate fork biscuits are 100 grams of soft margarine, 50 grams of caster sugar, 125 grams of self-raising flour and 15 grams of cocoa powder. Get your adult to preheat your oven to 180, 350 or gas mark 4. Okay, first of all is 100 grams of margarine, and you can see from my block that there's 50 and there's 50 more, so that's my 100 straight into my bowl. We need 50 grams of caster sugar. Next, we need 120 grams of self-raising flour, and this is 120. Let's go. 120. The last ingredient we need is 15 grams of cocoa powder. I'm using Bourneville cocoa powder. And 15 is about 3 teaspoons. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our margarine in our mixing bowl, and you need to mix it with your wooden spoon and make it very, very soft. We add our sugar and stir that in till it's all combined. I'm going to add some of my flour and some of my cocoa, and we're going to mix that until all the flour and cocoa have nearly gone. That's fine. Then we add the rest of the flour and the rest of the cocoa, and we mix it until it's all gone completely and it's a dough. It takes a while to make it to the dough, so don't give up hope. Now we've got our dough, we can start making our biscuit shapes. So we take a spoon, we take a small piece, we roll it into a ball and we put it on our lined baking tray. Doesn't matter if they're not all the same shape and size. Some might be bigger than others, that's fine. Remember, this is why they're called fork biscuits. You dip your fork in your water and you press down on the cookie. What gives it its name? Fork biscuit. Once you've pressed down on all your cookies, you can put them in the oven. Right, we're going to bake these for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to put my timer on for 17 minutes. Your cookies are done. You bring them out of the oven and place them on your cooling rack until they've gone really cold, and then you can enjoy eating them. For the instructions on how to make your chocolate fork biscuits, I hope you enjoy making them and I hope you enjoy eating them.